Believe it or not, trading is not as big a mystery as it appears. As a matter of fact, there's a pattern that explains almost everything. Welcome to Trading Views. I'm market expert Kevin Dixon. Have you heard of the phrase, everything has its season? Well, it applies to stock, commodity, and currency markets as well. Professional traders know exactly which issues are in demand and why based on cycles. Now you can too. Today you'll learn what the insiders already know, how to profit from seasonality and use the cycles of business. Joining me to explain it all is author and veteran market expert John Person. John, we're so glad to have you with us here today. For those who don't know, you tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I started on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange back in 1977. Kevin, it's been a long time in this industry, and I've seen a lot of changes come. But I tell you what, the one market area that we use as far as analysis is concerned is what we're going to be sharing today in this presentation. Most of the very wealthy, successful traders that I know still use to this day seasonality, and also, as I've written about, look at where we are with a business cycle and what sector and sector rotation. We're going to talk about that today and explain exactly how individual investors can use what Wall Street experts have been hiding from the masses all these years.
Well, you know, I'm a big fan, and I definitely believe in seasonal trading. Why do you think more people aren't capitalizing off all these trends?
Well, I don't think people are aware of it, number one. I think people get caught up in the genre of the trade today, of the day.
Chase the trade.
Chase the trade, what's going on in the market. See, what we'd like to do is find out and be prepared for the upcoming and ongoing seasonal trend of the market. See, the old phrase, the trend is your friend, but people don't understand when does the trend begin. And we're going to disclose that today.
And also, more importantly, when does the trend end?
Well, that's another thing. Is you're actually right, because it's also not only getting into the markets that's the right way of trading, but also when to take profits, because you can't spend paper profits, that's for sure. And I think a lot of people really have great decision making on when to get into a trade. They have poor judgment on when to get out, and seasonal analysis may just help nail that down for them.